Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things live on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a potato chip omelet. What? Yes, a potato chip omelet. This omelet literally has 3 ingredients. It's got eggs, it's got potato chips, and some olive oil for the pan. It comes together really quickly, and the whole idea behind it, this recipe in particular, is to be like a Spanish omelet, which has potatoes in it, but instead of potatoes, we're using potato chips. Let's see how this works out. I've never made it before, obviously, so we're gonna find out together. Get your eggs ready, get your potato chips ready, and get some olive oil ready to go. Thanks again for this song request. It fit in perfectly with this one. Come on, let's add potato chips into the omelet. Come on, let's add potato chips. This could be the very best thing yet. It could be. It could be. Let's find out. I have halved the recipe, but shouldn't affect anything, so come on along. Add your eggs to a bowl, which we are going to whisk vigorously until they are frothy, light in color, about 4 minutes. So get your arm muscles ready to go. Time starts now. Now that the eggs are really frothy and light, add your potato chips. This is very weird. Fold them in. I have never done this before. Let the potato chips soak for 1 minute. Set the heat to medium. Add some oil. Add your mixture to your pan. Spread out your potato chips. Should be about 3 to 4 minutes on this side. All right, I'm not sure whose idea this was, but it was somebody's idea to do it this way. I'm gonna flip this over on this plate. This is what the recipe says to do. Oh dear God. I gotta add some more oil to the pan. And I slide this back in. Let cook for an additional 2 minutes. Time is up. Look at that. We get to eat this right away. Let's check this out. There we go, our potato chip omelet. Well, that went pretty quickly, which is fantastic. When you need to make an omelet and you don't feel like adding any salt and pepper in, because notice none of that went in here because the potato chips have that. So, idea, you could use whatever type of potato chips you want. Do you want salt and vinegar taste in your omelet? Then you could use that, or ranch, or other flavor that you would desire. But it's all in the taste. So let's first check it out. See all those layers that are in it? It's because of the potato chips. And boy, we gotta work out with making those eggs super light and fluffy. Let's take a taste. It's definitely thicker than a usual omelet. I taste the potatoiness, if that's a word, in the omelet. I don't taste it as potato chips, which I guess is kind of the point. It does taste very flavorful with the potato chip salt in there. And it's definitely a thicker texture like you would get with a Spanish omelet that has potatoes in it. I think this is a winning recipe. I think there's more to come like this. I got lots of ideas going on in my head of things that we could do with this. So stay tuned. If I can make a potato chip omelet for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep those recipe requests coming, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.